Sephiroth and Sci-Fi here. Welcome back, guys. Today, what we have here is a Chaos Fury Therizinosaurus. The reason I brought this out because of this BEIPIAOSAURus Frenzy Pack. It looks like a Therizinosaurus. Alright guys, so we're gonna check this out. We already did this the other last video. We haven't done this yet. And we did the Mincaria. Alright guys, so we're gonna unbox this, and also we have a special surprise right here waiting. We're gonna unbox that as well. We're gonna unveil it, what's in there. Okay, so let's open this guy up. We're gonna compare to that, like I said, a Chaos Fury Therizinosaurus. Alright, let's put that over there. Okay, so it has claws and a beak like a Therizinosaurus. Sharp, long claws, actually. There's a DNA scan. Feather has feathers, but the tail doesn't have any feathers. Unlike the Therizinosaurus, it has a lot of feathers. Meanwhile, back there has feathers as well on its legs. I'm sure Therizinosaurus doesn't have it. Yeah, it doesn't have that. So this one right here has some swinging action, but the neck doesn't move anymore. Or it doesn't go down, up and down. It just left and right pretty much. And there's the DNA scan. Okay. So it is totally different from a Therizinosaurus. Check the mouth. The eyes looks pretty cool. Looks like an evil reptile. Okay, has a feature going up and down but no buttons because it's a frenzy pack. Frenzy packs or danger packs doesn't have any features. Okay, so this one is a new species from Mattel, so I have to get another one for repaint. I need another one. I only have two right now. Okay. Alright guys. So that's pretty much it for this guy. Nothing special about it. There's like a big gap on the jaw right there. So it looks okay like that. There. So I'm gonna probably repaint this. I'm gonna make the claws brown and the beak brown as well. Yeah, for some repaint. Okay, so let's go to our special surprise, unveil it. Let's put this guys there. Alright, hand me the box, guys.
Hey, Daddy.
Alright, so we're gonna unbox this one. Well, let's see what's inside this box. What do we have here this time? Oh my goodness.
You hope you get the brand new thing. You maybe get another Stegosaurus.
No, this is not a Stegosaurus. We'll see what's in here. We have the BEIPIAOSAURus.
Hey, I see the fin there, like a shark fin.
It has a shark fin on its throat. For some reason, it has a shark fin on its throat.
It is pretty weird. What's your name?
Alright, it's called the BEIPIAOSAurus. A wild roar. Yeah.
That's your name?
There you go.
His name is so weird to me.
Alright, so we already have all of these. Okay, we're gonna unbox this some other time. But meanwhile, we'll go back to our main guy, our spotlight for today, the BEIPIAOSAurus. Okay, guys. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next 2 days again. Okay, guys? Next 2 days or 3 days. Alright, you guys have a good one now, and thank you again.
Bye.
Bye for now.
Bye.